and on we'll go.
Hey guys, what is up? And welcome back to my channel. It has been a whole week. An entire week, which is crazy for me. Recently, you guys have been noticing that my videos and my scheduling has been super off. And if you follow me on Instagram and Twitter, which you definitely should, you guys would know that I came down with the worst sickness like ever. I thought that I had mono for the longest time. All I wanted to do was sleep. I would work, you know, my 8-9 hours a day, and then I would come home and I would sleep. And that is not like me. If you guys know me at all, I am such a workaholic. It's like, it's kind of bad how much, like, I would rather like come home and edit and film and do that stuff and hang out with you guys than I would actually hang out with my real friends or my real family, which is kind of a problem. But I knew something was wrong when I didn't want to do anything. I didn't want to work, I didn't even care if there was a YouTube video up. Well, obviously I cared, but at the end of the day, I was just like, no, like I need to sleep. And it was just so weird. Like I've never went through something like that. Usually I'm the kind of person who will call another YouTuber out and be like, you're just being lazy, you're not actually sick. And this was the first time I was like, oh my gosh, I can't push myself through this. So that has been where, you know, I've just been. I went to the doctor, I got tested. I do not have mono. They basically said I had a virus that would last about 2 to 2.5 months. And that's exactly what happened. And so so I took a week off at one point, and then I came back strong, and then I just took another week off because I was like, I can't take it. And honestly, I'm feeling a lot better, kind of, but I want you guys to know that I'm going to try to post 3 days a week, but don't be surprised if I'm only posting like 2 times, but I'm gonna really try to continue to push through 2 times until I'm feeling better. For today's video, since I've had some time to myself recently, I took down all my Valentine's Day decorations, so I want to show you guys some new pieces that I have in my bedroom and just kind of how I kind of took down some of the Valentine's Day decorations and just sort of decorated for spring. It's really not that different, but I did get a couple of different pieces for my room. I'm just constantly like changing like little tiny things here and there. It's never like a dramatic change because I really like the way that my room looks, but I do like to tweak little things here and there to just make it a little bit more festive. I'm gonna go ahead and show you my room decorations, and then right after that I have one more life update to tell you, so stay tuned. This is what my room looks like. Like I said, it doesn't look very different from Valentine's Day, but I think that this is very spring-like. I am loving this right now. Before we go ahead and get started, you guys know that I have been struggling to fill this wall right here because it is just a hard wall to fill, because if you put too much, it makes the room just look small and claustrophobic, and you can't really put like a mirror or like, I don't know, like I've just been struggling, and you have to have like the perfect size, like whatever it is to put in between here, or else like, I don't know, it just looks weird. And so I finally figured it out. I got this canvas right here. This is from Canvas Champ. I love them. So I got mine in black and white. This is just a picture of my mom and my dad and me from graduation. I also got another canvas here. This is me and my best friend. I decided to go with black and white just so it like matched my color scheme a little bit more. But oh my gosh, it's just so cute. I feel like canvases are a lot more like personalized than just like, you know, printing out like a cheap like 4x6 from like Target. But I also got a pillow from them as well. So you guys always ask me what my favorite Bible verse is, and I do not have it memorized, so I always have to go look it up. But it is Hebrews 10:35, and the pillow looks like this. It's so cute. So now the next time you guys ask me, I'll just have to look over at my bed. So it says, your confidence will be rewarded. Persevere, so when you have done God's will, you will receive what he has promised. And I love that Bible verse so much. So those are some of the new additions to my bedroom. And with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and show you my nightstands. I didn't give you a full tour of like my Valentine's Day decorations, but I had some of these up for Valentine's Day. Over here, I'm just keeping just like keys and stuff like that. I've had this picture up forever. I never want to take it down because I love it so much. And then my bed looks like this. The pictures up here didn't really change, but I did change up a little bit of my bed. I took down like the heart like lights, and I put the regular lights back up. Recently, my roommate, she asked me to be her maid of honor. So I have the gift that she gave me sitting on my nightstand. Here's a picture of us because I was there whenever she got proposed, and she gave me this candle with this cute little box, and I am obsessed. And then I also have my favorite candle. You guys know or should know about it if you're an OG. It is cinnamon caramel swirl. Technically that is a Christmas candle, but we are going to pretend. I'm not even gonna show you the corner of my room because that is where I just basically put anything that doesn't have a place, it gets shoved in the corner, so you're not gonna see that. Here is my beautiful desk. Over here, once again, I have my my canvas of me and my best friend, and then I also got this from UB. It's a little like pencil pouch. On this side, I got some thank you cards here, and I'll explain why I need to write thank you cards. And then I also have this. A friend of mine actually just released their very first book, and so this is the restaurant diet, and this is 1,000+ healthy menu items. And so it's kind of funny because as you're flipping through, it's basically everywhere that I eat, like Applebee's, Chuck E. Cheese, California Pizza, like everywhere you could possibly, Denny's, Crackle Barrel, First Watch, Five Guys, and it just goes on and on and on of different like healthy menu items that you could actually get. So not only will I link that book, but I'm also gonna link the canvases and where I got them in my pillow down below if you guys wanna go ahead and check that out. And as promised, I had one more life update for you guys, and you guys might not care, but it's a really big, dramatic change for me. So recently I quit my job. I'm not going full-time on YouTube, but I did get a job that is going to kind of help me manage YouTube a little bit better. I definitely had that in mind whenever I made the switch. It's sad because I've been with Rue 21 for 2 years now, and I love fashion, I really do, but I feel like God put me kind of like is steering my life in a different direction, and I'm really excited to hear like what's coming up next. So that's really exciting for me. Oh my gosh, it's so weird to say that. Like I like cried so much putting my 2-week notice in just because I don't know, like I said, I've been with them for 2 years and I love that place. So, but if you guys want a video maybe talking about what it's like to work in the fast fashion industry, I could definitely do that. I would never take it back. It's an amazing experience. It gave me so many opportunities. Like I got to fly all over the place. Like I just worked on the 5 Feet Apart campaign with Cole Sprouse. Like what? Like that's so cool and exciting. And that's an opportunity I would never get anywhere else. So it's definitely an amazing opportunity, but I don't know. So that was just my life update. Also, I'm going to playlist this weekend, so that's super exciting. Comment down below if you guys are going to playlist, or if you're not going to playlist. Like let me know, it's down below. Also, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in a couple days. Bye.